Schwank, innovative heating solutions. This is Paul. Paul is an entrepreneur and wants to build a new building. He wants it to be fancy and modern, which is why he only wants to use modern technology. What's rather easy with the lighting is quite hard when it comes to heating. Paul faces a major question. Is a centralized or a decentralized heating system better? Centralized heating means somewhere in the factory there is a big boiler with a burner or a heat pump that supplies warm water throughout the entire building. The warm water is used to heat up the air, the floor or radiant panels. If the workplace to be heated is 30 meters away from the boiler, the water needs to be lavishly transported over those 30 meters. Paul asks himself whether this really is so much better because floor heating is easy to install and could be operated with renewable energy. To better understand the situation, Paul decides to contact the consulting engineer, Mr. Clever. Mr. Clever is a professional in his field and knows exactly the advantages and disadvantages. He explains to Paul that decentralized systems like plaque and tube heaters are advantageous. If heat is needed, you just turn the heating on and it instantly gets warm. In comparison, a floor heating system needs much more time. The same is true for radiant warm water panels. Additionally, decentralized radiant heating systems allow for heating different zones. That's hardly possible with centralized systems. And how about renewable energy? Paul wants to know. Well, consulting engineer Mr. Clever explains that natural gas already contains a big share of biogas. Furthermore, decentralized plaque and tube heaters are that efficient that they fulfill all the energy laws, even the most stringent ones like in Germany. And which is more expensive? Mr. Clever also knows that answer and comes up with a representative study commissioned by the German Ministry of Construction. The study quite clearly shows that an investment in a centralized heating system is much more expensive, depending on the size, up to 4 times more expensive than a decentralized infrared heating system. Finally, Paul wants to know, what about the life cycle operating expenses? Mr. Clever knows the answer. Even though service and maintenance may be more expensive, plaque and tube heaters offer an excellent return on investment due to lower annual energy costs. Now Paul sees things more clearly and knows which system to choose from. Schwank, innovative heating solutions.